Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we will be learning how to dark mode on Canva. If you want to enable dark mode on Canva application, first of all launch open the Canva app from your mobile device and log into your account. From the home page of Canva, tap on the menu button at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, tap on the drop-down right next to your profile picture and your username. Now click on the Settings button from the menu. Under Settings, tap on Your Account. Scroll down until you find the Theme option and tap on Dark Mode or the Dark option. Soon after you do that, you will be able to enable dark mode on your Canva application. Enabling dark mode will help you reduce strain in the eye in low light environments. You can also save battery on devices with OLED screens. It will also provide a more comfortable viewing experience during extended use. So that is how you switch to dark mode on Canva. You can always come back to this page and then choose between your theme options by simply tapping on one of these options right away. That is how you easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.